and welcome to a beautiful and wonderful and the most amazing show on Tarot. We're going to be speaking about your whole year. आपका पूरा साल रहेगा कैसा आगे टैरो में जाके, इसी पे बात होगी और इसी पे हम जानकारी लेंगे। पर उससे पहले हम दो तीन सवाल जानना चाहते हैं रुचि जी आपसे। सबसे पहले, ये टैरो जो है ये ईस्टर्न है या वेस्टर्न मोडालिटी है? मतलब भारतवर्ष की है या बाहर से आई है?
हाय गुड मॉर्निंग सौरभ एंड गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल ऑफ व्यूअर्स। तो ये इंडिया का नहीं है। इट हैज ओरिजिनेटेड फ्रॉम समवेयर इन यूरोप।
Okay.
बेसिकली इजिप्ट का है ये। हाँ जी, इट
Okay.
स्टार्टेड इन इजिप्ट
Hmm.
एज पर द नॉलेज। एंड इजिप्ट में पहले विच क्राफ्ट की तरह से भी प्रैक्टिस होता था। इसकी सही नॉलेज नहीं थी। धीरे धीरे ओवर सेंचुरीज इट इवॉल्व्ड एंड
Absolutely.
देयर आर डिफरेंट मोडालिटीज। अब तो इंडिया में भी हो रहे हैं। देयर आर वेरियस काइंड्स ऑफ टैरो कार्ड्स, एंजल कार्ड्स, लव कार्ड्स, ओरेकल स्प्रेड्स, बहुत कुछ हो गया है अब तो। यस।
And जहाँ तक मेरी जानकारी है, this whole deal is all about energies. So we can't see each other's energies very well, but we have an ability to transfer our energies to whatever is in front of us, or like they say, when you're in the aura of certain things, those things resonate with your frequency, and so do the cards. तो
Absolutely.
दूसरा सवाल आपसे ये है, और मैं आपसे बड़े थोड़े से गूगली और ट्विस्टिंग सवाल पूछ रहा हूँ। When we are online versus offline, how well do tarot cards work? Is there a difference, or is it that because I am seeing you, I am seeing the cards, that means my energy is already impacting those cards as we go along?
Okay, so yes, a very interesting question. So yes, tarot reads your energy. So at times it happens that the person is in a very stressed mode. Past में कुछ हुआ, he has not been able to move on. मैरिज केसेस में बहुत होता है, रिलेशनशिप केसेस में होता है। ब्रेकअप हुआ 6 months बैक, बट दैट पर्सन हैज नॉट बीन एबल टू मूव ऑन। तो आज अगर उसके लिए पूछा जाएगा तो वो मुझे यही दिखाएगा ही इज इन अ रिलेशनशिप, बिकॉज एनर्जेटिकली ही हैज नॉट मूव्ड ऑन, ही और शी, राइट? So yes, it reads energy, it reads the aura, and I'm sure you must be well aware of that. Auras के colors होते हैं, we vibrate according to that.
Yes.
Of course, we cannot say it. People who are on a higher vibration, they can feel their aura, they can feel it. But yes, tarot works on energy, on the aura. And second question क्या था?
सेकंड क्वेश्चन ये था कि अगर हम आपके सामने बैठे हैं फिजिकली वर्सेस ऑनलाइन में, क्या एनर्जी डिफरेंशिएट होती है या सिमिलर ही रहती हैं?
सिमिलर ही रहती है। देयर इज नो मेजर डिफरेंस। अर्लियर आई यूज्ड टू टेल माय क्लाइंट्स टू मीट ऑफलाइन, दैट इज बेटर। बट व्हाट आई हैव नोटिस्ड, ऑफलाइन में टैरो के अलावा पर्सनल बातें भी होने लगती है कभी कभी, यू नो, द यूजर स्टार्ट्स टॉकिंग अबाउट इट, तो कहीं ना कहीं वो फ्लो डिस्टर्ब हो जाता है।
Wonderful.
सेशन elongates. 30 minutes का सेशन 40 minutes का हो जाता है, 1 hour का हो जाता है। और ऑनलाइन वी आर जस्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट टैरो, so we are more focused.
Super. Okay. And the final question for you here is this, and I experienced this multiple times with my clients. I went to an astrologer, उसने ये बोला मेरी जिंदगी तो बर्बाद है, तो बर्बाद ही रहेगी. Oh, I went to a tarot reader, they said my life is going to be terrible, it's not going to be good. And clients come with that saying that, hey, but you know, nothing can change my life. Is that truly true? But are these just directional, or are we looking to evolve people with tarot?
First of all, be it tarot, be it astro, be it numerology, everything works on the same principle. कहीं ना कहीं, so the answer should not be very different. थोड़ा बहुत timeline में differ. Somebody may tell you it will happen in 1 month, I may tell you it may happen in 1 week. But other than that, if it is a genuine person, genuine healer, then the answers should not differ. If the answers are different, then you may be it's possible that you are being manipulated.
Okay.
So I will always advise everybody who's watching this, stick to one person. What do people do? 4 लोगों से, जैसे आप कहते हो, 4 लोगों से बात करके आते हैं कि मैम उसने तो ये बताया था, आप ये बता रहे हो. If you take consultancy from other people, though, everybody will have a different interpretation. So do not do that. Build a rapport, a trust with one person and consult him or her. Secondly, tarot के लिए I have clients who come every week to ask the same question. शादी कब होगी, जॉब कब मिलेगा, जॉब कब. Before 3 months, we should not be asking the same question.
Wonderful.
अगर 3 months से पहले हम पूछेंगे तो वो आंसर डिफरेंट आ सकता है, so it may not be very accurate.
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
और जो फाइनल था उसमें क्वेश्चन था कि क्या ये सिर्फ एक डायरेक्शनल होते हैं या काउंसलिंग भी होती है आगे? हाउ कैन यू चेंज इट? बिकॉज I, like I said, my clients come to me and say, "Oh, we've been told by a tarot reader nothing can change."
Yeah. Nothing can change if you have believed it. Ultimately, it's your life. Ultimately, it's your control. We are just the medium of the divine. We are not God. We cannot write your destiny.
Absolutely.
This may be a self-sabotaging thing, what I am saying. But please be in control of your own life. Chahe a tarot has told you, chahe an astrologer has told you, please believe in yourself. Everything can change if you want to change. You will have to make efforts. No matter what I tell you, no matter what the number one astrologer tells you, if you have believed, nahi hoga to nahi hoga change.
Wonderful.
And want to change it.
Just going to, before we go into the first number, I just want to clarify to all the viewers, the people who considered warlocks, witches in the Western world, they were actually people who played with energies. They understood energies very well. And people who deemed such were deemed because of the ignorance of the regular space, of not understanding what energies are. So these beautiful modalities lost value because somebody felt, oh my God, ये तो कुछ गलत काम कर रहे हैं. सारे काम भगवान के होते हैं, सब अच्छे होते हैं. मैं तो एक चीज बोलता हूँ, अगर आप किसी चीज, सबसे पहला, do you believe in the universe or God? If yes, if you believe, hey, I'm also getting kudos for that. If you believe that universe and God created everything, accept everything. Wonderful. So with this, let's get into what's going to happen in 2025 for our pehla number. Now, pehla number, for everybody who has not watched it before, is based on your date of birth. So like mine is 2929, which adds up to 11, which adds up to 2. So 2 plus 9 is 11, 1 plus 1 is 2. So we will work on that. That means you have 1, you have 10, and these are the only two numbers for
1, 10 and 29.
29. 29 2 हो गया.
28.
Okay, perfect. तो उनसे शुरू करते हैं. आपका टैरो कैसा रहेगा?
ओके.
तो हम करेंगे हेल्थ, वेल्थ और रिलेशनशिप्स के बारे में, जस्ट फॉर एवरीबॉडीज नॉलेज.
There are 3 main pillars. This is the health, now the wealth and the relationship. Okay, so health is going to be very stable. You are taking care of your health. You are devoted to your health. You have a regime. So health is going to be in place. And for those, obviously, it cannot be same for everybody. It is a very generalized reading. So all those who are not taking precautions, not following a schedule, please do. Because stability is very important. Maintain a routine, especially in this weather, winters and fog and everything. Do take care of your health, right? Secondly, wealth may be a little tricky this month for you. There are confusions to manage, your personal life and your professional life. So prioritize, create a balance. Create a balance. Both of it is equally important. So devote your fixed time to your office, to your work. And weekends है, holidays, अब तो holiday season है. Do spend quality time with your family, with your friends, and balance is always the key. right?
Okay,
So
noted.
now the relationship. So we have the major arcana drawn for the relationship. So you will be having beautiful relationships.
Hmm.
People who are seeking for new relationships, there will be a golden opportunity. If you're looking for a marriage, yes, this is the time you will definitely attract a partner. How will the partner be? The person will be very true, transparent, loyal, absolutely as the figure. And
Hmm.
this is the golden star we see. So, this is one big opportunity you will attract this month.
Wonderful.
So, water energy hai, you can see the two legs. So, again, balance of emotions is required. Do not get swayed by anything or anybody, just maintain a balance, and it's going to be a great month for the relationships.
Super. Month or year ना 25-25.
Yeah, yeah,
हाँ
yeah,
25-25.
sorry, my bad.
नहीं
Yeah.
मतलब शादी तो पूरे साल में कभी भी हो सकती है आपकी। पर
बिल्कुल
एक चीज मैं बोलूंगा सबसे, भाई साहब देखो और बहन हो देखो और देवियों व सज्जनों देखो, अगर आपको कोई पार्टनर चाहिए तो उसके लिए आपको तैयार भी होना पड़ेगा। मतलब यू हैव टू बी द पर्सन हु यू वांट टू अट्रैक्ट, बिकॉज दे आल्सो वांट अ पर्सन लाइक दे वांट टू
yes,
चूज, राइट? आप बोलो हम तो
very
ऐसे ही
true,
रहेंगे और हमको ऐसा चाहिए, तो वो नहीं हो सकता।
very true, very true. People always say, I don't find the right person, I don't find. First, be the right person.
एग्जैक्टली।
First, be exactly what you are looking for. Then you will definitely attract. So this is for the number 2. ये moon cards है हमारे. People who are born on 2nd, 11th, 20th of the month.
And 29th.
29. How could I forget 29?
It's coming up.
Yes. So, okay. So we get the first card. Okay. The first card is the health card. It donates against stability. You might be traveling. You might be having a very hectic schedule. But yes, please stay grounded. Please take care of your health. Health is looking just fine. No issues. We are going to have a great, healthy year, right? And this is the wealth card. Wealth card tells you that do not take any decision in a haste. Whatever you need to take a decision regarding your finances, your investments, your office, any work related issue, think about it and then act. Do not act in a hurry, right? And now the relationship, we are drawing major arcanas this time also. So this is again a new beginning. So 2025, number 9 hai. It is 9. It is a new beginning. And I'll tell you, January and February are very fast months of manifestation portals. So whoever has been working hard, whoever has been chasing goals, this is the perfect time to manifest your goals, right? So Wheel of Fortune ka card hai. That means one cycle has completed and the other cycle of your life is going to start. There may be some things ending. तो वो painful होता है. Endings are always painful, but to begin something beautiful, we need to end some things.
Absolutely.
So people who are going through a phase in the relationship, do not worry. Just trust and surrender. Because whatever is going to happen next is for your higher good.
Wonderful. And just to add here is, again, just because there is change does not mean you will get it. One, because before external changes happen, you need to be ready for the internal changes as well. तो खुद अंदर से बदलना पड़ेगा बाहर का बदलाव होने के लिए. और एक चीज और मैं बोल देता हूँ कि क्या ये सबके लिए सिमिलर है? On a general basis, yes. At the same time, each one of us is unique. We might be all born on 29th or 11th, but we are unique in our own ways. And for that, connect with Ruchi. Please go on.
Okay, so now we come to number 3. 3 is number 12 and number 12 and 20.
30 हो गया.
30 हो गया, हाँ.
21 हो गया. 12 हो गया.
3, हाँ. 3, 12, 21 and 30. Yeah. So let's see. Again, health तो सबकी सही लग रही है. Very good. Stable, healthy for all of you. And wealth card says that finances will be good, opportunities will be good, but थोड़ा सा flickering emotions दिख रहे हैं. Again, you need to balance your emotions. You need to create a balance in your life. थोड़ी moodiness दिख रही है. Do not do investments with your moodiness. Please first calm your mind and then do investments or job change or on enterprises if you are going to have. Just balance your emotions and rest. It's going to be good. It's going to be grounded. Green energy है, growth है, groundedness है, prosperity है. And so now we come to the relationship. So again we have a major arcana drawn for the relationship. So relationships are going to be very good, that seems. So major arcana is like it's like a 100% card. These are the major situations of a life and it is inevitable. You have to go through it. You will go through it. Times might differ a little, but this will definitely happen, right? So relationships are going to be very good. You are a true person, transparent, emotional sensitivity दिख रही है. But you need to be more patient with your partner, with your family, with your friends. Balance of emotion is always there. And people who are going through a little tussle in your relationships, there is this sun. There is this way to sun, meaning that there is a solution. There is a way out. So try to find that way and things are resolvable. Things are workable, right? Otherwise, you're going to have a fantastic year of relationships and growth in relationships are there. So, yeah.
I think, what you said is so beautiful, and let's just connect back a little bit also before we move further into number 4.
Sure.
That when we say relationships, it's a relationship of me to whoever I connect with. So your relationship with your health, your relationship with your wealth, and the relationship with your people, everything is extremely important. And it needs to have complete balance. Agla 2025 hai. 9 has been my very lucky number. It's been connected to me from childhood. So I used to stay in a house called B270. So 2 and 7 was 9.
Right.
My Bombay house was flat number 9. My US house was 108. So my parents' house where I moved here to was 108. I am now in 5 and 9. 5 is for me the number of Vishnu, which is balancing, and then 9 is my lucky number. So relationships are extremely, extremely important when it comes to it. While it's good, please listen to what Ruchiji is saying. Balance, balance, balance. You need to be prepared to be the person if you want the relationships to work. Be it your wealth, be it your health. अगर health में जितना भी अच्छा relationship है, ओ मेरी health अच्छी है, चलो जी आज से 10 pound केक खाएंगे, वो तो फिर कुछ भी कर लो, आपके सितारे आपको कुछ नहीं दे सकते, right?
Absolutely.
हाँ जी. तो चलते हैं नंबर 4 की तरफ.
तो नंबर 4 हुआ हमारा नंबर 4, नंबर 13, नंबर 22. That's it, huh?
नहीं, 31 भी.
31, हाँ, 31. All those who have 31. Okay, so health wise अच्छा रहेगा, but you are a leader. You always want to do something different from the others. तो इस बार आप कुछ ऐसा करेंगे जो आपने कभी नहीं किया, जो मेरी फैमिली में फर्स्ट टाइम कर, doing something, adding something to your daily regime, taking steps to resolve your health, maintaining a good health. Health looks very good, but if it is not, then you need to do something which maybe you haven't done, right? So once you take care, once you follow that, it's gonna be perfectly fine. It's a very positive card. So yes. Okay, so this is interesting. So wealth. Wealth looks very good. You are going to do something which is going to get you a lot of name, fame, growth, success. But you need, maybe you are at a crossroad. You need a mentor or a counselor, a third person who will advise you. You know, if you're feeling that there is a lot of confusion, please do not hesitate to seek help. Maybe it's your friends or your family or a professional help also if you need. Please go and do that. Once you do that, then it's going to be worth the investment and you are going to have a rocking year.
Perfect.
Financially
Super.
abundant year. Now we come to the relationship card. Relationship is going to be very good, very true, but there may be a little materialistic issues. Wealth issues हो सकते हैं. But you need to raise your confidence. Everything is fine. You don't need to panic. There is nothing wrong. Everything is perfectly in place. But you need to stop overthinking about money. Stop overthinking, believe in yourself and take action.
Okay.
And things perfectly fine. Yeah.
Can this also mean that you may be connected to partners who are materialistic and that also kind of makes you think?
Yes, it can be. It can be your partner's energy is reflecting on you. Right?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Okay.
Partner is going through that, so obviously it's interrelated.
Okay. Okay. All right.
या फैमिली में कुछ फाइनेंशियल थोड़ा सा चल रहा है किसी चीज को लेके, सो यस, सिंस इट्स अ जनरलाइज्ड रीडिंग, सो यू नो इट मे बी इंटरकनेक्टेड.
Okay.
So now we'll come to number 5. 13 people born on 13, 5 and
no, 5, 23, 14
23, 14
and 23.
That's it. Yeah. 29, 9.
मेरा मैथमेटिक्स अच्छा नहीं था. बचपन में मैंने काफी मुश्किलों से पास किया है. पर जब पास किया तो फिर अच्छे से पास किया, मतलब you know, and it's a journey. I think, you know, as I keep on listening to what you're saying with all those numbers, there's a lot of transformation coming place, and this is my journey. What I'm doing is I'm going to give my 100% to everything I do. नहीं तो नहीं करूँगा. So either full or nothing. There's no midway anymore, and I think that's we need to start doing that. You know, we keep on questioning, complaining. ऐसा नहीं है, वैसा नहीं है, ये नहीं है, वो नहीं है. पर हम कभी भी अपना 100% देना ही नहीं चाहते. इतना सा हो या ओहो चोट लग गई, ओ कांटा लग गया. अरे कांटा लग गया तो क्या हुआ? चिल्लाओ जोर से ना, कांटा लगा है. Why can't we do that?
Absolutely. So yes, that is the tip of the day, that give your 100% to everything and you will definitely get results. Sooner or later you will. Okay, so number 5 is the number of stability. बुध का नंबर है. तो बहुत यूजर्स आते हैं, उनके संग there is an issue when there is no stability in your life. Then realize that बुध में कुछ गड़बड़ी है. Right? So okay. So health पे थोड़ा सा इशू है. You need to take care of your health. Saturn का कार्ड आया है. Health may be challenging, so you need to take care of it. Results late मिलेंगे थोड़ा सा आपको, whatever you are doing, but you will get results. So continue to make efforts. Whatever you are doing, please continue to do. Right? Or wealth will be stable. You are trying to take a decision. So take a decision with a very calm mind. Do not act in a haste. Do not get overwhelmed. You know, when you are very stressed, let yourself be calm and then take a decision related to your investments or your wealth or your career, right? Now the relationship, we again have the major arcana for the relationship. So again, it is a card of a new beginning. Chariot का card है, तो you are going to lead something. You are a leader. You are going to lead something. So maybe in some relationship you need to take the initiative. अगर things are not going better, so maybe you are the leader, so you can take the initiative of bridging the gap, right? Or it is a card for marriage also. New beginnings है, marriage है, very beautiful marriage, long term stable relationships है. Agar financially भी if you are thinking of a partnership, so yes, go for this partnership. This is going to be very good. Duality है life में. We can see white and black, black and white and white and black. There is a duality. This person may be a little extreme. So again, I will say try to balance. Do not do extremism. एक बार आप करते हो तो बहुत ज्यादा यू आर पैम्परिंग योर लेडी लव, यू पैम्परिंग योर वाइफ, एंड फिर 4 दिन बात ही नहीं कर रहे हो, गुड मॉर्निंग का मैसेज का रिप्लाई नहीं कर रहे हो. डू नॉट डू दैट. जस्ट मेंटेन अ बैलेंस, बिकॉज बैलेंस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. दैट इज आई थिंक द की फैक्टर इन आवर लाइव्स. तो आप देखिए कि हर नंबर पे बैलेंस का एक कार्ड जरूर आ रहा है. सो इट इज अगेन अ टाइम ऑफ सेल्फ इंट्रोस्पेक्शन फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस. इसका मतलब हम कितना एक्सट्रीम करते हैं. वी आर लैकिंग दैट बैलेंस इन आवर लाइफ. Balance of emotion, balance of priorities. So that is very important, right? So now we come to number 6. 6 is 6, 14 and 24, right? And 30, 24, yeah.
6, 15 and 24.
15.
और 6 नंबर लोगों के हिसाब से होता है डेविल का नंबर.
वीनस का नंबर है, एंड वीनस इज डिनोट्स ब्यूटी, लग्जरी, पीस.
Venus is Shukra, right? Venus is Shukra.
Yes.
And
Shukra.
just to tell you why people think it's a devil's number, it's actually connected to our Eastern thoughts, because Shukracharya was the guru of Asuras. And Asuras are negative emotions within us from an understanding perspective, and were considered the devils at that point of time. So he was the guru of the devils. The amazing part is that he was given the ability to make any devil come back to life after they were killed in war or battle. And I tried to relate it back. ये number 6 और Asuras और ये सब कैसे connect होता है. So I'm going to just deviate a second and give my understanding of the story. Is that it's very hard for us to develop good habits. पर bad habits तो आराम से ऐसे आ जाते हैं कि कुछ सोचने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. Which is why effortlessly वो rebirth होता है. आप कितने आज से हम ये नहीं करेंगे. And we have to continuously battle those bad habits till our last breath. So they have, and how beautifully whoever created or wrote the story created a thing. Oh, it's a battle between the good habits and the bad habits, and the bad habits never die. They just come alive every time you try to kill it. They just keep coming back, and you have to keep them at bay. And which is why the number 6 is very important, because my understanding is that through this process of Venus and the process of getting distracted is actually the ability to focus, because having distractions and creating focus makes you stronger and stronger every day. Despite the distractions, if you can focus, you evolve much faster.
How beautifully said it. So just to elaborate and be more clear, since we are talking about it, so what you are describing is that happens when the 6, the Venus, is elevated at a higher level in your kundli. जब शुक्र बहुत elevated है, थोड़ा excess में है, it is hyperactive, then it creates distortion, because वो क्या है, luxury. तो जिसको हम कहते हैं भोग विलास. You are flooded with money, but that can create distractions, like you said. वो असुर वाली वो चीज आ जाती है. You can get into a very luxurious lifestyle. You can waste a lot of money. You can start drinking. You can start partying on a daily basis. So obviously that will be bad for your health. When the Venus is less, जब वो सही घर में नहीं बैठा है, तो क्या होगा? In spite of me drawing a Venus card, you will not be having money to sustain. You will be challenging in all your relationships, because again it is all about balance. अगर वो सही घर में सही नक्षत्र में नहीं बैठा है, इट इज गोइंग टू क्रिएट डिस्टर्बेंस, तो वो लैक्सिटी क्रिएट करेगा. And if it is in a balance, it is in the right house, and everything is balanced in your life and in your charts, then you are going to have a very loving relationships, very luxurious life, abundant life, you know. Luxurious का कोई definition नहीं रह गया आजकल, so that is a very controversial term. But you are going to have a very comfortable and abundant life, right? So ऐसे होता है. People say कि नहीं मैम ऐसा तो नहीं है, वो ऐसा इसलिए नहीं because the charts में वो positioning you know is like that, or your energy is not balanced. There are certain things you're not doing it the right way, that is why the result is not there.
Understand.
Right?
Done.
Okay. So now we come to the first, the health is number 6. So you are overthinking. Overthinking is creating issues for your health. You know, like you can see this figure is juggling. बहुत ओवरथिंकिंग हो रही है, करियर और फाइनेंस को लेके हो सकती है, करियर और पर्सनल लाइफ को लेके हो सकती है, और भी किसी भी चीज को लेके ओवरथिंकिंग हो रही है. दैट इज क्रिएटिंग एन इशू इन योर हेल्थ. सो प्लीज डू नॉट ओवरथिंक, टेक एक्शन. सोच के कुछ नहीं होगा. मेक अ प्लान, एक्ट ऑन इट, डू मेडिटेशन ऑन अ डेली बेसिस. अगर आप ज्यादा नहीं कर सकते हैं, 10 मिनट्स बैठ के प्लीज लिसन टू ओम चैंटिंग. आई ऑलवेज टेल देम जस्ट close your eyes, sit down at a peaceful place and just say Om, either chant Om or just listen to Om. ये हम सब कर सकते हैं, especially who are challenging on the health front. You start doing it regularly, within 15 days you'll see a transformation in yourself.
All right, wonderful.
Second, we come to the wealth. Wealth says that growth है, name and fame है, but you need to be careful of manipulative people around you. Do not get manipulated. Beware of any politics. So there may be people who are trying to, ये offices में बहुत होता है, we are all familiar corporate politics, you know. So be careful of the people around you. ये कोई आपके आसपास ही है कर रहा है. And the interesting thing about this card is whenever this card comes and I tell the user generally people argue with me for good 5 minutes कि नहीं कोई भी नहीं है मैम, कोई भी नहीं है, but there is some person very close to you who is manipulating you, who is manipulating things and you are not aware. So an unknown devil is you know more dangerous, a known devil is more dangerous than the unknown one. So be careful of the people around you. Do not get manipulated. Trust your gut. Trust your instincts. So now we come to the relationship. Relationship के लिए हमारे कप्स का कार्ड आया है. Beautiful, harmonious relationships you are going to have. You are very true, very transparent in your relationship, and you are going to attract the same kind of bonds. So again, very beautiful. Yeah, it's going to be very loving, very harmonious. So a great time for your relationship. अगर नहीं है तो like I told you there is disbalance of energy, कुछ synchronization का issue है. Okay.
And like they
so
say
now,
in Kabbalah, 6 is the number of cricketers' delight. So keep hitting sixes in the 2025.
yeah. So now we come to number 7. 7 हुआ, 16 हुआ, 25 हुआ, right? 25.
जीसस क्राइस्ट का भी नंबर 7 था, ध्यान रखिएगा.
Okay, so wow, healthy, very healthy relationship. There is a balance of divine masculine and divine feminine energy. Love है, harmony है, मतलब your health is going to be very balanced. Whatever efforts you are going to put in for your health, you will get the results for that, right? So generalized tone में, let me say कि if you are putting in efforts to take care of your health, you will get an excellent health, and if you are not, then you need to take care of it, right? Wealth, फिर हमारे पास वही कार्ड आया है. Be careful of your investment, be careful of your finances. Do not take a rational decision. Be very careful. and act with a calm mind. Do not act in a haste, right? और relationship में people number 7, you need to be a little careful. You are being manipulated. Manipulation हो सकता है आपके साथ, कुछ politics हो रही है. So you need to notice and be a little careful. Yeah.
So again मैं इसमें ऐड करूंगा, प्लीज ऑल्सो नोटिस कि आप कुछ ऐसा कर रहे हैं क्या. अरे सुना है ऐसा हुआ है, सुना है ऐसा हुआ है. I love this quote which says the most evolved people have nothing to say. They only
How true, that is so true. And that also may be that you are also doing a lot of politics.
Correct, absolutely.
Right? So it's either ways. People don't admit that. नहीं मैम मैं तो बहुत ही अच्छा हूँ, मैं तो कुछ भी. But it is like, a reflection. The outer world is a reflection of our inner self, right?
And so, we are in a country where politics is something which we live by. From our community, from our home level to a community level to a city level to a state level to a country level to a world level. We also bothered about other countries for politics also. We enjoy it. Yeah,
very true. Very true. So now we come to number 8.
Hanji.
हुआ 17 हुआ and 26.
26. और ये तो भयानक नंबर है शनि का.
But Shani is like a strict judge, it's not a bad planet. It's like a strict judge. So yes. So again, it said that if you are making efforts, then you will definitely please Shani Dev, and you will get results according to your hard work.
Yeah.
Yes, there may be obstacles, there may be delays, but definitely you will reach your goals. So coming to the health is going to be excellent. You are taking care of your health is very good. And if you're finding a solution, there is a way out, please consult your doctor or look within, you will get the answers. There is a way out to whatever solution you are wanting. Secondly, we come to interesting. This is wealth. Stability in career is there. King's energy hai. So this person is either in the management role or in a very senior role. He doesn't like to do things. He likes to get things done. King होता है ना कि बस हमारे लिए करो. I will just sit and
delegation.
Yeah. So, but the thing is, you are a little distracted when it comes to your career, your wealth. You need to focus more. There is a distraction, and plus there may be some other issue you need to resolve ASAP. If it grows, then it might become a big problem for you. Again, this is one thing people do not realize. They keep saying कि कुछ भी नहीं है, but please, if you are going through some issues and you're not able to identify, it's time for self-introspection. Right?
Absolutely.
Yeah. So now we come to relationship. Relationship is excellent. Again, there is a golden star. Either you are going to mend relations with your family, with your relatives, or you are going to attract a new relationship. It may be friend, it may be romantic relationship, marriage, anything. And it's going to be an excellent time in your all your relationships are going to be very loving and harmonious to you. But you need to create that balance. Just be grounded and be balanced. The year is going to be amazing for you.
Super. Awesome.
Yeah. So now we come to your favorite number. That is 9.
नहीं मेरे नंबर सारे फेवरेट हैं. 8 भी फेवरेट है, 9 भी फेवरेट है, 2 भी है, 1 भी है. मैं कोई भाई शनि देव मेरे गुरु हैं, मेरे उसमें है, तो मैं कभी पार्शियलिटी कर ही नहीं सकता. अलाउड ही नहीं है मुझे.
So 9 is 9, 18 and 27. 9, 18, 27.
सबसे इजी इसका होता है ना मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना. All of those numbers have to add up to 9. बस खत्म.
Yeah. Hmm. Okay, so we have the Ten of Pentacles, which again shows a new beginning.
Hmm.
Or uh, health will be good, but family card hai. So there may be some, something your family is requiring of you.
Hmm.
Maybe you need to take more care of your family's health. कुछ हो सकता है. So be a little more attentive towards your family, and some very close friends might have some issue. So you need to take a little more care. And this is a new beginning, तो changes आएंगे. Your
Okay.
family might have some कुछ issues भी हो सकते हैं, improvement भी हो सकता है,
Okay.
बहुत टाइम से कुछ हेल्थ इशू चल रहा था, suddenly you feel कि it's gone,
Hmm.
right? So that will be there. So yes, it is definitely a positive card. Yeah. Okay, so wealth does not seem very good. फिफ्थ कार्ड है अनस्टेबिलिटी का कार्ड है. अनस्टेबल रहेगा, थोड़े अनस्टेबल इमोशंस है. Look, there are 3 cups fallen and 2 cups which are still placed on the ground. Means you need to change your mindset.
Okay.
You are going through a bad time, maybe some financial losses, maybe you lost your job, but there are opportunities waiting for you.
Hmm.
So do not be a pessimist, be an optimist. Once you change that mindset, you will find opportunities for yourself.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Super.
Now the relationship में you need to decide something and you're not able to decide. There is a duality in your heart and mind. Generally इन लोगों के लिए आप सुनेंगे कि कहता कुछ है, करता तो कुछ और ही है. Because he is not able to do what he wants.
Right.
He's either listening to his mind or the society pressure, but अंदर से वो नहीं कर रहा है. तो yes, it's ulta moon है. तो moon is about emotions, moon is about the relationship. So yes, it may be a little challenging. तो इसमें हम moon की remedies करेंगे. Wear a silver ring in your pinky finger with a pearl on it. और of course अगर ज़्यादा issues है तो we'll discuss that personally, right? But yes, it may be a little challenging for the 9 number people.
Super. Wow, so that was amazing. We went from 1 to 9 and we have covered every single birth date possible. 0 पे कोई पैदा नहीं हुआ अभी तक. अगर जब हुआ, I think before everything else there was nothing. So with that, just for everybody who's watching, listen to it. If you have any questions, please reach out to Ruchi ma'am and figure out your personalized, detailed information, of course. The few things that you need to always remember is, अगर आप दौड़ रहे हो और मोच आ गई है तो धीरे चलो. धीरे चला नहीं जा रहा, दर्द हो रहा है तो रेंग लो. रेंगा नहीं जा रहा और बहुत दर्द हो रहा है तो रुक के दुनिया देखो. The objective is that please stop saying my life is bad. It's not. Stop looking for purpose in life because it will come. Just आज का पर्पस क्या है? मेरा पर्पस क्या था? मैं सुबह उठा, मैंने रुचि मैम को मैसेज किया कि आज रिकॉर्डिंग करते हैं, और रिकॉर्डिंग की हमने, और खुशी खुशी से हैप्पी करके कुछ भी हो जाए प्रॉब्लम, हमने पूरी रिकॉर्डिंग की. जैसा भी है, जो भी है, देख के हम करेंगे, और वैसे किया. So whatever is happening to us beyond this, before and after this, has nothing to do with what's happening now. And this is how we need to really live our life. Just जो भी है ना, उसको थोड़ा उसका रस लो. कृष्ण जी ने कहा है, हर रस को एंजॉय करो. माया भी मेरी बेटी है, मोक्ष भी मेरा बेटा है. तुम क्यों छोड़ते हो? माया को छोड़ोगे तो तुम्हें मोक्ष नहीं मिलेगा. So enjoy every detail, enjoy every part, enjoy this reading that you have gotten for tarot. And if you have more questions, go forward and ask. Please go ahead and set up your sessions and ask Ruchi on what you can do next. Enjoy it, yaar. Maze karo.
Definitely, absolutely. So yeah, thank you, Dr. Saurabh, for pushing me. I myself is such a big procrastinator. लेकिन लोगों को ज्ञान बांटने में तो बड़ा मजा आता है वैसे, है ना? हम चाहे उसको फॉलो करें खुद, चाहे नहीं करें. So that is also another takeaway. We may preach a lot of things to other people, but when it comes to our own self, then what are we doing action? That is very important. So yes, please take action. That is the mantra of the day.
सुपर. तो अब हम मिलेंगे आपसे 2025 में. तब तक के लिए आप इसको एंजॉय करिए और सब फायरवर्क्स में एंजॉय करिए.